If you want to recolor an image in Photopea without destroying the original photo, this tutorial is for you. In this video, I'll show you how to shift one color range, like turning a blue car red while keeping the shadows, highlights, and fine details looking natural. This is one of the best ways to make realistic color changes in complex photos, and the best part is, it only takes a few minutes. Before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Photopea guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your image in Photopea. Once your photo is loaded, look up at the top menu and click Layer, then choose New Adjustment Layer and then click Hue and Saturation. This is the key step because it creates a non-destructive adjustment layer, which means your original image stays safe underneath and you can always come back and edit the effect later. Now take a look over on the right side in the Properties panel. You'll usually see a drop-down menu that starts on Master. Master means the adjustment is affecting all colors in the image. But if you only want to recolor one specific part, like just the reds, just the blues, or just the greens, click that drop-down and choose the color range you want. For example, if you're changing a blue object into a different color, selecting blues will give you a much more targeted result. There's also another helpful way to target a color range. You can use the small hand icon with arrows, then click directly on the color in your image that you want to change. This is useful when you're not exactly sure which color channel is being used, because Photopea can help isolate it for you more accurately. Now comes the fun part, recoloring. Drag the hue slider left or right to shift the color into a new shade. If you move it left, you'll get one direction of color change, and if you move it right, you'll get another. Keep adjusting until the new color looks right for your image. If you want the new color to stand out more, drag the saturation slider up. If the new color looks too intense or unnatural, pull saturation down a little until it feels more realistic. Then use the lightness slider to make the recolored area darker or brighter. This is really helpful when you want the new color to blend naturally with the lighting in the original photo. As you make these adjustments, remember that the goal is not just to change the color, but to keep the photo looking believable. Because you're using a hue and saturation adjustment layer, the shadows, texture, and highlights stay in place, which helps the image keep its detail. That's what makes this technique so powerful for things like cars, clothing, product photos, and creative edits. If you notice the recoloring is affecting areas you don't want changed, don't worry. You can fix that with the layer mask. Select the mask thumbnail next to your adjustment layer, then choose a black brush and paint over the parts of the image where you want to hide the recolor effect. Black on the mask conceals the adjustment, while white brings it back. So if the change is spilling onto the background, skin, or any other unwanted area, you can clean it up quickly and keep full control over the final result. That's really the whole process. Open your image, add a hue and saturation adjustment layer, choose the color range you want, move the hue, saturation, and lightness sliders until it looks right, and then use the mask to refine the areas that should stay untouched. Once you understand this, you can recolor almost anything in Photopea while keeping the original detail intact. If this helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Photopea tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.